Hey kids, look!
This is a model airplane flying in a gym. It's got no radio control. It's an old-fashioned one. It's got a rubber band making it go, and it has to be adjusted before you launch it. And it's a model of what they call an A-10, a very, very old kind of airplane. And it's got a balsa wood propeller, and balsa wood with tissue covers is the whole airplane. There it comes real close. And there's nobody on it. It's just a model. But it flies pretty good, doesn't it? Now let's see if we can get it to land okay. Here she comes.